Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Caldwell County, Guadalupe County, western Gonzales County, northern Wilson County, eastern Bexar County, southeastern Comal County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Garden Ridge to near Seguin to near Luling, moving south at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, Church, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, Luling, Stockdale, Randolph Air Force Base, Kirby, Windcrest, Bulverde, Garden Ridge, McQueenie, Nixon, St. Hedwig, Almendorf, and La Vernia. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a